Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Good afternoon. Welcome to Pakistani-American news channel. Kesser Mustafa from New York. Drone detection system deployed to New York after mystery sightings. U.S. officials are sending a drone detection system to New York, Governor Kathy Hochul says, after questions over mysterious objects in the skies over the East Coast and beyond grew in recent days. Hochul requested the federal assistance after drone sightings forced runways at Stewart International Airport in the state to shut for an hour last week. In response to my calls for additional resources, our federal partners are sending a drone detection system to New York, Hochul wrote on X on Sunday. She said state governments needed more power to deal on their own with the small, uncrewed aircraft that have also been reported in New Jersey, Pennsylvania, Maryland, Connecticut, and Massachusetts, and further west in Ohio. Drone sightings also led to the closure of Wright-Patterson Air Force Base for about an hour on Friday night, according to local media. Congress must pass a law that will give us the power to deal directly with the drones, Hochul said in her post. After last week promising to do whatever it takes to ensure New Yorkers remain safe, Senator Chuck Schumer said on Sunday he hoped to pass a bill that would give local enforcement more power to investigate unidentified flying objects, saying, "I am pushing for answers amid these drone sightings." He also asked that a drone detection system similar to the one headed for New York also be sent to New Jersey, where most of the serial encounters have so far been recorded. New Jersey Senator Andy Kim said he went out with local residents over the weekend to observe the night sky, and that he believed, based on conversations with civilian pilots and flight tracking data, that most of the aircraft he saw were almost certainly planes. Thanks for watching Pakistani American News Channel.